Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Chick-fil-a Cilantro Lime Sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back. I appreciate you watching. Today, like I said, we're going to be showing you how to make cilantro lime sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with 1 cup of Greek style yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of fresh minced garlic, juice and zest of 1 lime, 1 bunch of cilantro leaves, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. That recipe link is down in the description box or in the first pinned comment. So let's go ahead and start making this up. All right, for this you're going to either need a bowl to mix all your ingredients in, but I recommend a mixer, a blender, or some sort of food processor for this, so you can get that cilantro to break up in all this and kick out its essential oils while you're doing that. It makes the flavor a lot better. We'll go ahead and add our yogurt. I'm going to throw our olive oil right in there too. Our fresh garlic. Salt and pepper. Our cilantro. I'm just going to kind of stuff that down in here. Now the recipe says for it to be chiffonade, but if you're using a blender such as this, you don't need to chiffonade it because of course the action of the blender will pulverize it pretty well. We got our juice from our lemon right there. We're just going to hit it with some zest. Alright, everything is in. Let's go ahead and blend it up. Alright, you can see that's blended up really well. We are going to put this in a little bowl. We got some chicken strips over there. We're going to come back and we're going to taste this. First, we got some pictures for you. Enjoy those and we'll be right back. Test here. It holds really well to the chicken. Very thick and creamy. What it looks like. Got that bitterness from the yogurt, creaminess too, the acidity of that lime. Cilantro doesn't stand out, but I think it will once it's refrigerated for overnight. And that salt and pepper bring out the flavor. Very good. Let's look at it. Yeah, it's a good sauce. Cilantro, Chick-fil-a Cilantro Lime Sauce. Go ahead and find the link down for the recipe down in the description box or the first pinned comment. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to stop by my seasoning blend shop over on itsonlyfood.biz. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again real soon.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah. Now